Annie, you had your name in the bright lights. I thought I saw your photograph, having such a laugh in a magazine. Did it all come tumbling, Annie? And you were made for the big time. They said you're a star to be in the enemy, but the walls came tumbling down, down. Will you go down on me? 'Cause Annie, you're a star.